Morning, Delhi. Welcome to the biggest radio show, The Talk and Walk. You are listening to RJ Karthik. We all know that farmers are on strike nowadays due to the new rules launched by the government, and they want equal rights. They want farmer bills in their favor. Now, let us take some more opinion on this topic from the most popular and talented people of India. Please welcome the voice of the nation, Miss
Thank you,
Anjali.
Talk and Walk, for inviting me on the call.
What are your thoughts about the strike of the farmers?
I like the topic, and in fact, we all should focus on this topic and try to make a world without walls. You know, the farmers work so hard for us, but they are not getting the correct respect and monetary help they should get. The government don't even help the farmers. They don't even ask them for what they need. But in my opinion, both the parties did wrong. The government should have helped the farmers, and the farmers also should have heard the government about what are their thoughts and a way to make them understand their problems and their point of view too.
Wow, what an amazing idea, ma'am. Thank you for giving us such an amazing idea. It will be an honor for all of us to hear just two lines on this topic. Ma'am,
Sure. If you miss the train I'm on, you will know that I am gone. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles, 100 miles. You can hear the whistle blow 100 miles. Thank you.
wow, what a voice. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, please welcome to the most talented actor, Mr. Hardik.
Hello everyone.
Do you agree with what Anjali ma'am said?
I agree with what ma'am said. At the other hand, I think ma'am was partially wrong. We all read news, right? We know that the farmers are always being threatened by all kinds of means. Some like threats about killing their family, some about burning their crops, some being homeless because they try to rebel against them, and some also get killed or commit suicide because they have nothing left. So, in my opinion, they should be given equal rights and a lot more love and respect from everyone.
Wow, what a great thought given by coming forward with one of the most and all-time favorite cricketer. Please welcome Mr. Navjot.
Thank you so much.
So, is there any point which you want to add with the other two minions?
No, I would like to conclude one thing here.
Go ahead.
Giving Anjali ma'am opinion, I think both the parties are in fault. The government are wrong and the farmers are doing fault too. But in the other hand, Hardik says that the farmers should to be understand. These are such small things that they punish themselves. I also think that farmers and government have to talk with each other because this is a small thing.
Brilliant conclusion given by you, sir. We all know that sir is a very good quoter. It would be our pleasure to hear a quote by you, sir. Please.
Sure, I will. It says that now, if your mind and heart are balanced in your body, it's with complete harmony and it's your life.
Superb, sir. Superb. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for joining us. Stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye for today. We'll meet soon.